Andrew's complaining his front end's about to fall apart, so we're doing new ball joints, steering rack brace, and bushings, and see what else we can get into today. Alright, got the front end apart. We were kind of worried. So Andrew's got this new Hess flag to put on here. We were seeing, they do advertise on their website that the flag will work with stock tie rods, but I think we've seen a lot of stuff that doesn't actually work out that way. These are S3 tie rods, 22.5 inches long, and that's what they advertise that Hess's actual tie rod setup runs to. So it looks like this flag here will work with S3 tie rods without the tie rods being too short or anything, so we'll see if that works out. Alright, so we got the Hess flag on, and then Andrew's got this badass unlimited. This is basically essentially the exact same thing as Hess's steering rack brace. I think it's like half the price. Hess's stuff, they're pretty proud of their stuff, so they get a little pricey on some stuff. So it looks like this is gonna work out. We got the S3 tie rods, the heims that bolted into the clevis initially. This just bolts right into this new flag. So one reason we're replacing these. So Ethan had these same S3 tie rods with the inner clevis that attached to the OEM flag on the steering rack. So what happened to Ethan's is, do we have those clevises over here? Where are they? All right, so here's the OEM flag. Right here is the clevis that comes with the S3 tie rods. So I guess over time, I don't know, these require like a little shim. If you don't have them shimmed all the way correctly, this clevis just broke right out of the flag. So this threaded part that threads right into here just broke right out. So we're essentially just eliminating that whole clevis piece and just bolting the heim directly into this new flag. So I think this should be a lot stronger. It's supposed to make the steering feedback and the wobble that's in the front end be a lot less. And so hopefully this all works out, and this will be a major upgrade for Drew's steering, which is a big weak point on the X3s. All right, so all these steering racks, whether it's this badass unlimited product or if it's the Hess steering rack that me and Ethan have, they all come with these little spacers. So this little spacer right here is just the same thing off your OEM rack. So this will be on every X3 that there is. But then they come with these little spacers. We put one on this back side right here. I'm pretty sure I only have to run one on the passenger side on my X3. And then we have nothing but the washers that come with the new bolts. These two new bolts are new for this brace. This is still the OEM bolt. So we got a spacer, washer on the front, washer on the back, and then a washer inside the cab back here that Andrew's working on putting back together, which is right down here by the pedals. But just ran through the steering. It seems like we got it good the first time and don't have to untighten these and tighten them back. So just one spacer on the back side seems to work for the most part. And then just tighten her up and she should be good to go. $40 Amazon special old ball joint tool. See if this thing works. It's deeper. Well, we got her all buttoned back up. This piece of crap Pro Eagle crapped out on us. Won't jack this thing up anymore, so leave it to the old Pro Series.
Well, we're dying. Just weak ass ups.
says she's nice and tight now, just like he likes it.